Normal direction shader. If you insert a simple disk or object and then make it editable or see, going to the surface, if you select somewhere, as you can see, this is the normal direction of any polygon object, and this is the back of that. If you select some other polygon and in a mesh, I explained them before, you reverse normal direction of that. As you can see, you cannot see anything. Reversing or normal is very bad in a texturing, okay? But if you select that, you can see we have a different color. The orange color, it's a back. It means we have a reverse of that polygon normal in this direction. And if you texturing, and you can see if you deselect everything, you cannot see anything there. But if you go to the model mode, you cannot see it either. But how we can understand which polygon is reversed? For doing that, we can go in simple in the material editor, make sure that you're in standard render setting because everything changing to the standard. Click in here, assign a material to your object, and go into the simple color and a texture effect. After Lumos, we have normal direction. Boom. This shader tells you, okay, these three polygons are reversed based on this color that you can change that you want. For example, if you want to change it to red to more better seeing that, it tells you, okay, the normal polygon that has a okay normal, they are white, and the bad normal polygon are black, red. And you can see this direction. That's it. I think you can use it in a mirror or somewhere else that you can do it. But in my opinion, the most benefit of this shader is this. If you have imported a 3D model from other software or other artist, just assign this shader to your object, and you can simply see the normals that have flipped, and then you can reverse it, and you have a uniform normal for better texturing.